Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. I hope you are doing good. I know today was a very rough kind of a day, and we all have gone through it. But let's try and understand whatever we had discussed yesterday. Based on it, what happened today as a trader? How would we look at it? And apart from this, we will see how do we take our things forward. Okay. Now, if you see this particular video, I have not changed anything, right? I have exactly kept the same markings that were done yesterday, right? There has been no change. You can go and watch my previous video. Not much of change has been made into this. Maybe during the day I had moved a little here and there, otherwise it's the same. Now let us have a look at it. What did we mark? We said, okay, there is some global news, prices might go, this is the trend line. If it falls below this, we might get to see downside, right? Which is fine. We also said, irrespective of whatever it is, we will mark our levels, and if price can kind of sustain there, we will take a trades, right? This is also something that we had said. So we marked this level 17,350 levels, and we also marked 17,150 levels. So these were our levels. Now look at the beauty of this particular thing. The price opened here very close to your support level, right? Took a support from here and started moving back towards this high of the day. We also mentioned, like previously, there was a gap down, and through the day the prices recovered, right? Same thing happened here. Prices opened, gap down, and through the day it kind of recovered. All right. Now let's have a look in the smaller time frame. Look at this. Exactly, it took here support where we had marked, and then price went up. Now interestingly, this also, which we had marked earlier as a support, now eventually, because it is broken, it becomes a resistance. Okay. Now when the price comes towards it, look at this. There is a shooting star, right? There is a kind of a red green pattern, right? That means here it is taking resistance, right? The previous support has become a resistance now. Okay. That is it. How do we take a trade tomorrow? We are not going to do any more changes into this. Okay, very simple. हमने correct mark किया था, and prices are there. We'll just mark one or two more levels and then just close it out. All right. So we're going to mark this level. Okay. Nothing. We are not going to change. We are not going to do anything greater stuff than this. Right. Is there anything else I can see? No. Finished. We are done for the day. We are done for marking the levels. Now how do we look at it? We basically look at this. There is a kind of a pattern that is forming here. This becomes our kind of a triangle, right? And then if the price breaks this level and price breaks this level 17,268, we like to see whether it takes support at this level, right? If the prices gaps down tomorrow and does not take a support and closes below this, then we will look forward to a further downside momentum of 100 points, right? Whichever is the nearest. Okay, the nearest is around this level, right? So this is going to be our about almost 106, 166, 70 points move from there if the support is broken. If the support is not broken and if it starts moving above this, then again 17,250 will be our important level to take our target points. Now Sharan, what if it opens here only and does not go below 17,250? Then we won't take any trade as long as it is moving in this particular zone. Now why do I say, if you look in 1440, it basically is a, one second, it's basically a kind of a spinning range where you have higher and lower side of support and resistance. So it has to break either side before it goes upside, right? So that is why we will not take any trade if it opens in that way. Now what if it opens above this level? If it gaps up tomorrow, we will see whether it takes a resistance at 17,500 or it will take a support at 17,350. This will become our next level of trading, right? So this is how we move. Basically support and resistance हमने draw किया, nothing much we did. If in this only, if it happens, we will take a trade. नहीं Sharan, what if it gaps up 5% ऊपर, 3% ऊपर or 2%? Then we can't do anything. We just have to keep quiet and just see how things go around. Right? There is nothing we can do about it. It's rather better to go in a trade where you know things rather than taking any random trades which you have no idea about. right? So let's be systematic as a trader. We'll become systematic only when we start doing certain things like this. All right, this is it. There is nothing much about the trading setups for tomorrow. I hope you have understood and loved this video. Please do like, share and comment amongst your friends and family members, and see you on the other side. All right, thank you. Bye bye, take care.